Good day, everyone. Welcome to our second lesson in Computer System Servicing NC2, entitled Installing and Configuring DCPromo. This is intended for grade 12 under Learning Outcome 2, entitled Configure Network Services. This is for week 1, day 2. Learning objectives. At the end of the learning period, the student should be able to A. Define Domain Controller Promoter or DCPromo. B. Understand the use of Domain Controller Promoter DCPromo. And C. Install Domain Controller Promoter. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's answer the pre-test. Directions. Fill in the blanks. Supply the missing words on the space provided. Number 1. DCPromo is an acronym for blank. The answer is Domain Controller Promoter. Number 2. It is a tool in Active Directory that blank. The answer is installs. Number 3. And blank Active Directory Domain Services. The answer is removes. Number 4. DCPromo is a window blank OS command. The answer is server. Number 5. It is used to install or remove blank. The answer is promote. Number 6. Functionality to server functionality as blank. The answer is Domain Controller. Number 7. It is used to install or remove blank. The answer is ADDS. Number 8. Which builds blank and domains in Active Directory? The answer is Forest. Number 9. The DCPromo blank utility is used on Windows Server to install Active Directory Domain Services role. The answer is Console. Number 10. Before we run DCPromo, we need to make sure we have a blank set. The answer is IP address. Now, let us have a recap of our previous lesson relevant to our topic. Directions. Enumerate the following and write the answer on the space provided. Number 1. What information ADDS stores? The answer is account, name, password, phone number, and address. Question number 2. What is the purpose of Active Directory in a server? The answer is it runs Active Directory Domain Services that is called Domain Controller. It authenticates and authorizes all users and computers in Windows type network. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. What is DCPromo? DCPromo is a tool in Active Directory that installs and removes Active Directory Domain Services and promotes domain controllers. DCPromo is a Windows Server operating system command, and it is used to promote or make normal Windows Server functionality to server functionality as domain controller. It is used to install or remove Active Directory Domain Services, which builds forests, and domains in Active Directory. It is found in every version of Windows Server since Windows 2000. What is DCPromo? The DCPromo console utility is used on Windows Server to install the Active Directory domain services. Role: promoting a member server to the Active Directory domain controller or demoting it. DCPromo on Windows Server 2008 installation. Steps to set IP address. Run ncpa.cpl, then click OK or right-click the local area connection. Then click Properties, select IPv4, then click Properties, then input manually the given IP address. DCPromo on Windows Server 2008 installation. Steps to set IP address. Run ncpa.cpl, then click OK or right-click the area to area local connection. Then click Properties, select IPv4, then click Properties, input manually the given IP address, then press the Start button, then enter DCPromo and press Enter. Then select Server Roles and the screen appears. Then press Next, click Next, select Create a new domain in New Forest, then click Next. Input the given domain. Example: CSS12.com. Select Windows Server 2008 R2, then click Next. Again, click Next. Click Next again, and click Next. Input the given password. Example: CSS2020 COVID. Then click Next. Then click Finish. Click Restart Now. After the reboot, you should have several Active Directory related tools under Administrative Tools. Now, let's proceed to our activities. Directions. Write the steps on how to set IP address. IPv4. Number 1. Run blank, then click OK. The answer is ncpa.cpl. Number 2. Or go to blank settings. The answer is local area network connection or LAN icon. Number 3. Right-click to local area connection, then click blank. The answer is Properties. Number 4. Select blank, then click Properties. The answer is IPv4. Number 5. Then click blank manually the given IP address. The answer is Input. If IP address 192.168.11.50, this is under class blank address. The answer is C. 7 to 10, enter the student subnet mask of the IP address below. The answer is 255.255.255.0. Let's proceed to wrap up. The improvement to the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizards are all available by default. However, some wizard pages appear only if you select the use of Advanced Mode Installation. Advanced Mode Installation provides experienced users with more control over the installation process, without confusing newer users with configuration options that may not be familiar. For users who do not select the Use Advanced Mode Installation or Quick Box, the wizard uses default options that apply to most configuration. The new option on the welcome page of the wizard enables advanced mode installations as an alternative to running DCPromo at a command prompt. Domain and Forest Functional Levels 2008 does not provide any new features over the Windows 2003 Forest Functional Level. However, it ensures that any new domain created in the forest will automatically operate at the Windows Server 2008 domain functional level. Let's proceed to valuing. You integrate the values you have learned by answering the questions. The question is, the following important steps can be followed in order to configure DCPromo. Next, let's proceed to post-test. In this, we measure how far have you gone through by answering the following questions. Number 1. Okay, directions. Steps to configure DCPromo. Write the missing word on the space provided. Number 1. Press the Start button, then enter blank and press Enter. The answer is DCPromo. Number 2. Select blank, then click Next. The answer is Create New Domain in New Forest. Number 3. Input the given blank name. The answer is Domain. Number 4. Select blank, then click Next. The answer is Windows 2008 R2. Number 5. Click blank. The answer is Next. Number 6. Click blank. The answer is Next. Number 7. Click blank. The answer is Next. Number 8. Input the given blank. Click Next. The answer is Password. Number 9. Click blank. The answer is Finish. Number 10. Click blank. The answer is restart now. If you got all the correct answer, good job. And if not, you just continue learning. Thank you and see you again on the next lesson. Bye!